नारायण स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी, कंजबाग रोड, खटीमा से रिपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ। नारायण स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी, यहाँ पे दोस्तों हर तरह के इंडोर स्पोर्ट्स होंगे। क्रिकेट है, इसमें 3 इसके टर्फ बने हुए हैं, बैडमिंटन है और भी कई सारे स्पोर्ट्स इसमें होंगे इंडोर। सो इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन विजिट। अभी ये एक्चुअली अपने मैच्योर स्टेज में चल रहा है। इसमें बहुत मेहनत की गई है हम लोग के द्वारा, नारायण सर के द्वारा, सीए जी के द्वारा। आप आइए, अपने बच्चों को विजिट कराइए। खटिया में ऐसी एकेडमी खोलना अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी बात है। प्लीज़ डू विजिट। ही इज़ सीए एक्चुअली, बट along with that he is a social person, so please do visit with your children to see this academy. After some time this grass will grow and it will give a proper shape of this academy. It has 3 actually practice pitches. One is grass and 2 of cemented one. One is the plain and another one that is with what we can say carpet is there. And this is just near to this Kanjabak, near to where this canal is there. Just after the canal, if you are coming from Bigrabak, and before the canal if you are coming from Khatima. So do visit with your students. It is the very easy, and from Khatima Chauraya also you can come from Kanjabag Road, and you can come from this bypass, Pania bypass also, and you can come from Nadanna side also. So from all the sides we have got the road. So it is very good and neat and clean, and as well as environmental friendly. So do visit with your children if they are interested, and if they will to go any sports and athletic sites. We'll try to give maximum of sports like aerobics, taekwondo, cricket, and even we have got football and badminton, table tennis and long tennis. So we are in the plan to give these all the sports over here. So it will be covered from all the sides, from upper side also. After 1 or 2 months it will take its proper shape, but we are practicing in the evening time. You can come and visit in this place. And I am going to home right now. It is around 9:30. We are playing from 7 o'clock till 9:30. So we are given the water to these pitches, and then we are moving to the home. Thank you very much, and see you tomorrow, guys. Be happy, be energetic, and be safe, and take care about this quotes that health is wealth. If your health is proper, then you can think anything. If your health is not good, you cannot think anymore. So be happy, be careful about your health, and we can earn the wealth at any moment of time, but health cannot be earned. Health is the God gift. So please preserve it, save it, and take care about yourself. Okay? क्योंकि हम हैं तो सब है, हम नहीं तो कुछ नहीं. This is the proper thoughts I have given. These quotes I have given by myself. हम हैं तो सब है, हम नहीं तो कुछ नहीं. Take care about that, and good night. See you guys by tomorrow. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Good Luck Khatima and Growing Khatima. So we are exploring all the things which are better in Khatima, but we need only your proper company. So please do subscribe, comment on it, and share on my channel, Good Luck Khatima and Growing Khatima. Good Luck Khatima, Growing Khatima. Okay, thank you very much. And I know that you understand, you think that I am a part of your family. Okay, I'm a profession wise I'm a teacher, but I can sing, I can dance, I can create the blogs, and especially I love each and everyone, even it is small children's, youth, and gentlemen, and as well as our old persons. For those all, I have the same things in my heart. I love to each other. Thank you very much.